Welcome back, folks. In this video, we'll go over how to make buttons. For example, let's say we want to have a main menu. To do that, let's make a new scene. We call it main menu. Roll it to the top. Let's create a new layer. Call background. We'll create a new object. Panel sprite. We will choose a color. Click save, click apply, drag it out. Make sure it's on a background layer, way on the back. Okay. Now let's make a button. Select add a new object, scroll all the way down, and choose panel sprite button. There are some pre-made ones which you can customize. So pick and choose, or you can make a button from scratch if you want. So let's select this one. Okay, let's drag it out. Let's set it to the base layer. Drag it out like this. Maybe in the middle. Oh, we'll call the name will be start. Here we'll have start. Click apply. And then we'll go to the main menu. Events. We'll add a new event. We will say when the start button is clicked, we want to change scene. And we want to start level 1. Click OK. Click preview. So now when we click, we start on level 1. Now remember, we set up a pause menu. So let's click escape. So we're now in pause menu. Let's add a button here to be able to go back to the main menu. Let's close this. Let's navigate to the pause. Let's drag this up top. Let's create a new object. Button. Choose, let's do the same style. Double click on it. We will call it main menu. And here we will say main menu. Click apply. Drag it out. Let's stretch it a bit. Here we go. So we will do main menu. We can click escape to go back. Okay. And then in the events, we will add a new event. Let's say, first let's organize this a little bit. Let's do event group, and we call it pause. We'll drag it all the way up. And let's drag this to the right. Okay. Now let's make another event, and we call them buttons. And we say when the main menu button is clicked, change the scene to main menu. Click OK. So let's go back to our level 1. Click preview. Click escape. So now we can either go press escape and go back into the game, or we can click escape and go to the main menu. And here we can start. Let's say we want to quit the game. Let's add another button here that will say quit. Let's navigate back to the main menu. We will right click and duplicate. We'll call this quit. Double click. Text is quit. Apply. Drag it out. Go to the events, and let's say new event when the quit button is clicked, we want to quit the game. Click OK. All right, let's launch the main menu. We can click Start. We can click Escape, then go back to the main menu, and we can quit. By the way, if you want to align this properly, you can go over here and Show Grid. Now you can align your buttons perfectly. All right, that is all for this video, folks. See you in the next one.